So, is the FCA finally going to do something about these crypto and Forex investment scammers? Find out in this video. Hi guys, it's Any, aka the Not Trader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. I've got Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at the Not Trader on all social media platforms. And if you check the description section below, there's a link to my mailing list. Join my mailing list for priority access to my free training course that I'm creating for beginner traders. Let's get straight into it, guys. So, off the back of my last video that I made ranting about Forex scammers and how they conduct business, I've seen an article recently released. This was released on the 25th of May 2019. FCA actually is going to start doing something about it, which is good. Round of applause for FCA for doing their job. Yeah, so this press release that was released by the FCA, they are actually starting to take action. They've created them and fraud action. And I'm warning people about all these crypto and Forex scamming, get-rich-quick trading platforms and fraudsters post often. So let me just read this for you. How the scam works. Fraudsters often use social media, Instagram, to promote their get-rich-quick online trading platform. Let me zoom in a little bit. Posts often use fake celebrity endorsements and images of luxury items like expensive watches and cars. These then link to professional-looking websites where consumers are persuaded to invest. Investors will often be led to believe that their first investment has successfully made a profit. The fraudster will then contact the victim to invest more money or introduce friends and family with the false promise of greater profits. Anyway, that's enough. I won't read all of it. So basically, they have caught wind to what we all know about is going on in Instagram. All these lifestyle traders and lifestyle investors showing money and cash and beach and whatever to try and entice gullible people into joining their trading platforms. I spoke about it a little bit in my last video, but in this video I actually wrote a tweet about it on my Instagram and my Twitter, and I broke down step for step how some of these guys operate and how their business model works. So I thought I'd just kind of go into it for you, for some of those that don't follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, and you can see all my great tweets like this one. Yeah, so I said, off the back of Trader Dante's rant about Forex affiliate scammers, I thought that I'd make a thread outlining the business model of some of these young FX millionaires. So, step one. Okay, so, PS. So this is what I did. I'll zoom in. PS. If you are between 16 and 25, this is more effective, as this is the demographic most likely to fall for these affiliate scams. It's easy for them to relate to their peers. That's why they always get young guys to do this, because normally Forex scams and even pyramid schemes, it's easier to manipulate teenagers or young adults who maybe haven't fallen for these things before. It's probably the first time that they're really getting to know about this stuff. So they're the ones that are easy to entice with lifestyle and the promise of riches. So step one, you become an affiliate partner with a small and unregulated trading platform, because they offer referral bonuses. That there's less due diligence with them, and they'll accept you as a partner. If you want to be a partner with a trading platform by like City Index or IG or some of these other ones, there'll probably be more rigorous hoops that you need to jump through than some of these less reputable trading platforms who will let anyone and everyone become a partner, because they don't care about reputational damage. They just want to get a churn of people coming in so that they can get their money and get rid of them. Because these people, there's a high churn with these platforms that are not legitimate. They know that people aren't going to be there for a long time because they rip them off. So they need a constant inflow of people to join the platform, because they don't retain many of the people that they have on the platform. Step two, I'll put a little picture here of extra points for if anyone knows who that is. That's your boy FX Lifestyle, Forex Lifestyle, hilarious guy. Now build your brand. Order some prop £50 notes online and buy some fake luxury brand items, and then you flaunt them all on your social media. Look at him. He knows what he's doing. He's got some moe, got got glass. He's probably in the hotel. Got some fake notes. Got some charts there to show people that he's serious. He's a serious trader. He's got some sunshades. Step 3. Time to get some exposure. Hire a PR company, one like SWNS. This is a PR company that that a lot of these affiliate marketers use to get themselves in newspapers like the Daily Mail or just any of these newspapers. They use this PR companies to get into those papers. Formulate a rags to riches story, because everyone loves rags to riches stories, and they'll work their magic to get you published, such as this guy, your boy Elijah, in the Daily Mail, talking about how he makes 30k on a bad week. And then step 4, the online publication doesn't care about due diligence, allegedly. I just say that allegedly, you know why I say allegedly. They need their precious web traffic so they can sell ads. So basically, I'm saying, why people are gonna ask in the comment section, oh, why do these online publications even post these stories if they know it isn't true? It's because there's a bigger discussion to be had about revenue in newspapers. Newspaper industry is dying. That's why a lot of these newspaper companies are always. So that's why a lot of these newspaper companies are always are gated now, and they're asking for money because people don't buy papers no more and they just consume content online. So they need to make money somehow. So if they can get a clickbaity article and they know that's going to get traffic to their site, they can leverage the traffic to their site and get paid more for the ads on their site. So that's how it works. Online publications, some of them have done a deal with the devil and decided to post articles that they know aren't true, but they don't care because they'll bring traffic to the site and then they can sell more ads so they can make money. So that's the short answer. Okay, step 5. Wait for these impressionable novice traders to contact you asking for mentorship. And here's where you make the big bucks. Encourage these students to join your FX trading platform that you're affiliated with and make sure that they deposit a minimum amount agreed between you and the platform. Now tell them to subscribe to your FX Signal private group for a monthly fee. They will start trading based on your tips. Fast forward a few weeks or months, the student has lost all their money through your poor tips. The guru rides off into the sunset with the referral bonus for signing up the student and the monthly FX Signal private group fees. And then you rinse and repeat. But there's a bonus round. It's a few years later. You're rich, but your reputation's in tatters. But the game keeps calling you back. What do? You won't be successful. Sorry, you won't be successful if you try again. As one Google search your name and all your alleged scams are there for the public to see. So what do? Well, how about recruiting a teenager without the bad PR around his name and repeat the strategy? Of course, profits are shared because you're the mastermind behind the operation. So that's why every so often you see a new teenager, because they've probably agreed by one of the older guys that have been doing it for a while to replicate the business model, and they'll show them the ropes, show them how to get referrals. They'll make some money, and the other person will be working in the background without any exposure, none of the bad media fallout, but all of the benefits of making money. So that's how it works, guys. So remember, do your due diligence when you're being contacted by these Forex trader guys. What you need to do is ask them, are you paid for me subscribing to this channel? And ask them if you can see their trading record. And if that's what you need to ask, because a lot of them, they'll say they made all this money, but there's no record to prove that they've made any of this money. So yeah, that's just my short video on FX scammers. Again, little rant for you. Any aka the Knock Trader signing out.